Hey, what's up, Bittorrent holder? So this is live price prediction of Bittorrent coin, my brother, and definitely in last 24 hours, Bittorrent will be completely, my friend, fails down, and therefore I will notify you. I will give you advice to please hold it, don't sell it. I hope in upcoming time, my friends, they will give you a profit. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. However, this time, as you can see here, this time the Bittorrent price will be increasing if you are stop selling and if you are starting buying more and more. So I just recommend for all of you to please buy it, and if you have any plan to invest more, so I think this is one of the good option to you will invest now. Please invest, hold it, and don't sell it. I hope, my friends, they will make you millionaire now. See you next time, holder. Please like video and subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Alright, the Bittorrent price will be completely increasing my weather, but in last 24 hours especially very important for all of you now. So let's see my weather. And this time, as you can see my weather, the Bittorrent price will be change occurring, as you can see here completely on the screen now. But if you can see my weather, this time the futures, so the future is going to be very unique my weather. I hope my weather in upcoming time they will also give us a profit now. So thanks for watching, holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification.